Equals, is your Lenovo Yoga 530 making a dodgy noise? We are Kelatos IT, experts in tech repairs. We pick up your device from your door, run a free diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no running around. We are located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise often indicates that there's dust buildup or hardware issues affecting performance. Cleaning the internal parts can resolve this problem and ensure smooth operation. If you don't want to take any chances, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right to your door across the entire peninsula. Link in the description.